The Pyle PL42BL car sound speakers deliver surprisingly full-range sound for compact 4-inch coaxial drivers, with clear highs and solid mid-bass once properly installed and sealed in the door. Their blue poly injection cones and non-fatiguing butyl rubber surrounds not only give them a distinctive look, but also help them stay responsive and durable over long listening sessions. A two-way design with a small neodymium dome tweeter brings out vocals and detail in music that factory paper speakers usually smear or bury. The voice coil and magnet structure are engineered to handle everyday high-volume use without obvious distortion, making them a practical upgrade for commuters who like to turn the music up. With sensitivity that makes good use of modest factory head units, these speakers can sound lively even without an external amplifier. The package includes protective grills, wiring, and mounting hardware, which simplifies installation for do-it-yourself users replacing stock speakers in older vehicles.